At this point, you're starting to see the stock market starting to recover and go up, and you want to get into investing. New year about to come up, and you want to know, what do I need to do to get started right now? And that's what this video is for. We're going to keep it very simple. I'm going to talk about what apps you need to use, how much money you should probably start investing with, how to pick companies, and we're going to keep it short and sweet. Let's get into the video.
Black rose, black rose. Black rose, black rose, black rose in the sky. Black rose, black rose. Black rose, black rose, black rose in the sky. Black rose, black rose. Black rose, black rose, black rose in the sky. Black.
Welcome back, beautiful people. I'm Lando, Success, your favorite motivational teacher. The goal is, whenever you come to my page, to leave knowing something that you didn't know before you came here. And that's the goal here. All I ask in return is for you to do your boy a favor. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment on which stock do you believe will have the highest amount of growth in the next year. And we'll come back and we'll check the comments and see who is actually right. So the first thing you need to know is which apps you need to download. My philosophy is, if you're new and just getting started, enjoy free stocks, like literally free money, because you have so many different companies that's trying to grow their customer base. They're doing promotions for new people. So my philosophy is to start with 3 different ones, because you don't want to have all your eggs in one basket. You want to switch it up a little bit. The first one I will recommend is Moomoo. With Moomoo right now, they're doing a promotion where you can get 6 free stocks just by signing up and depositing $1. So they pick all different type of stocks you get, from like $6 to like $2,500 each stock. If you deposit $2,000, they give you up to 10 free stock. Once you deposit the money and it clear, you're going to see which ones you get free money. I probably have done different videos on the pros and cons of each one of these companies. We just talking about the free money. The second one is Webull. Webull is doing a crazy promotion, I believe, where they are giving you up to 12 free stocks just by depositing $1. That's crazy. Just literally free money. I got the link in the bio, or I'll have it pinged to the top of the comments where you guys can literally do it and you can get some free money right there. And the third one I would actually say is Stash Invest, because I love their debit card feature. I love their stock back. Whenever you actually use a debit card, you get stock back with that company. I believe you only get like $20 when you sign up with them, but it's free money. And the last one, the fourth one, I would say is Public. Public, I believe when you sign up, they give you a percentage of a stock. So that's 4 different companies where you can get some free money. So the next step is you need to have a game plan of what are you going to do. And my philosophy is start with 10 different companies to invest in.
Oh my God! Wow!
To choose what 10 you actually want, the way you can do it is literally 3 sectors. Sectors mean you can have energy stocks, you can have clothing company stocks, you can have tech stocks. So I say tech is crazy. Pick 3 tech companies. Then you can pick 3 ETFs. ETFs basically mean it's an umbrella of a lot of different companies. So you can pick a tech sector ETF that literally covers Apple, Google, and Microsoft all in one. So instead of investing in just one company, you're investing in all of them. They have a different percentage of which stock have the highest amount of value in that sector or in that ETF. Very, very dope concept. And the third one we would do is the miscellaneous. So you can do 3, 3, and 4. Now, another cool way I actually broke down in a seminar before is literally, where do you spend your money? So let's first start with automatic payments. What come out of your account automatically every single month? Off the top of my mind, Amazon Prime, Disney Plus, my cell phone bill, my energy bill, and the list go on where you literally spend your money. So now you can look like, yo, if I have Verizon Wireless and they are getting $300 every single month, it probably makes sense to start investing with it and start getting some dividend money back. Since I'm supporting this company, think of Amazon. How often do you use it? So you have to think that type of mind frame. That's just a list you can write down. So do that list of everything that come out automatically, and then look at the stock in the company and see if it's something you actually want to invest in. The second way is, which companies do you spend your money at? When you go grocery shopping, do you go to Target? Do you go to Walmart? When you go to buy home improvement things, do you always go to Home Depot or do you always go to Lowe's? When you buy food, do your kid always want to go to McDonald's? Do you like Chipotle? So literally places that you spend your money at, it only makes sense to have ownership in it, right? You're welcome. And the third and last way is literally even if you don't spend money there, even if you don't have automatic draft, which companies do you see other people spending money at? So the way my mind works, I don't own a lot of McDonald's shares, but I know people go to McDonald's every single day, and it's kind of pandemic proof, and McDonald's is literally globally all around the world. So the way I think that would be a good company to invest in that I personally don't invest in. I see Starbucks. If Starbucks have a stock, I'm not a big Starbucks person, but I know my wife is, and I know a lot of other people always go to Starbucks. I'm more of a Home Depot guy, but I see people in Lowe's. So literally that's a quick exercise to come up with different type of companies that you can literally start investing in. To actually show you guys some of the companies that I have invested in over the many years of investing, right? So what I like to do is first the ETFs, right? The first ETF you can start with is the SPY. SPY. This is a company that literally mirrors the S&P 500. So this take the top 500 companies and it literally add them all in here. So look at this. You see nothing but green and going up is going to keep doing that. Next I like is IYH. This is a healthcare ETF. So now you are in the healthcare sector. I don't know individual healthcare companies, so let me just invest in this that have the top companies and the money keep going up. QQQ is a copy of the NASDAQ, all the tech companies. So really, when you get rich, you really need to only invest in these three slowly and you will be okay. But you see, I have Meta, I have Amazon, I have Apple, I have Tesla, Ford, airlines since I was a flight attendant for a while. I have some biotech stuff. I have REITs where it's like real estate companies without having to own real estate. Yeti, since my wife was crazy over Yeti. A lot of different things. DraftKings, since I'm a sports head. And I just watch a lot of companies that I'm not invested in so I can just mirror and see where it's going. So in the future, if I want to invest in it, I can know what's going on. So once you pick your 10 companies to invest in, add them if you have an iPhone or if you have Google, whatever type of phone you have. iPhone have the stocks tab where you can literally look at all of your companies every day and see actually the performance, what's going on. You get up-to-date news information about what's going on with your company's earnings report. You want to start diving yourself into it and see exactly what's popping. One of the last things you want to do is start looking at high dividend paying companies. Dividends basically mean if I'm a strong company like Target, for example, I've been around for a while. When we earn a lot of money, we have an excess of extra money. So what they do is give that excess of money called a dividend to shareholders. So just by owning one stock of Target, every year we will give you $1.50. So you own 10 of them, you're going to get $15 and so on and so forth. A lot of companies pay higher dividends, lower dividends. You can really look at it by going to the stock. Let's see, if you look at Target right here, the share price is $173. Their dividend yield is high, 2.5% per year. They're going to give you a free money, and this just keep on coming in no matter if the stock price go up, if it go down. They're just going to keep on paying you that dividends, and what I do is reinvest the dividend money back into that stock. So sooner or later, once I get like 60 years old, hopefully my dividend money will be making thousands of dollars to be able to pay my bills every month, and that's free passive income. Now you're wondering, how much should I start investing with? First thing I will recommend, now mind you, I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just Black Brother giving y'all some game on what I do and my basic knowledge of stocks and investing. So first start with your first 10 stocks and build that structure of how you want your portfolio to look. Back in the day, you had to literally buy a whole share to be able to buy into a stock, but nowadays most apps have it where you can buy fractional shares. That means a fraction of a share. So if Tesla is $900 right now, I can literally buy $5 worth into Tesla, and that would be a fraction of that while I still own it, and I can build my portfolio up. So I would say literally start with $5, $10 to literally have all 10 right then and there. Then you can have a game plan starting with the lowest to highest. Hey, I want 1 share of this, I want 2 shares of that, and you want to just have a monthly or weekly, every 2 weeks, a reoccurring investing strategy where the money just coming out. So say for example, if you make $2,000 a month, just take 10% of that. So that's $200. Not gonna hurt you too much. Instead of putting in a saving account, you are investing it. So you're taking $200 a month and you're dividing it within those 10 companies. However you want to do it, you can literally come up with your own philosophy. Let me know what you guys like best in the comments below. Now remind you, in the description or ping to the top of the comments, I have a bunch of different ways where you actually can get some free stocks. Start that way, you benefit, they give me some free stocks and stuff also whenever you guys signed up. And the next video I'm gonna probably do is the exact same video but with cryptocurrency, so how you can start, what apps to use. So make sure you put it on your things to do to watch that next. I'm Lando Says, talk to you guys soon.